Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are all welcome to our program, e-learning platform. As usual, your host is also around. I'm Akinpelu Nuruddin Akintunde, class teacher, primary 5 class. Today, we are moving straight to another area of our studies, perimeter of a rectangle. By definition, perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of all the sides of the rectangle. Once again, perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of all the sides of the rectangle. If you want to find the rectangle simply means total distance round an object. Total distance round an object. How are we going to find the perimeter of a rectangle? If you want to find the perimeter of a rectangle, is a simple, straightforward question. To find the perimeter of a rectangle, we all add the lengths of the rectangle's four sides together. Once again, to find the perimeter of a rectangle, add the length of the rectangle's four sides together. What do I mean by that? If I draw a rectangle now, you know that a rectangle has four vertices, as we did when we treated area of rectangle. So when we divide it into different corner, that is four equal parts. Each side is length, another side is length, that is because they are parallel. So this one is width, while the other side is also width. By addition, you add the two lengths together. Likewise, you add the two width or breadth together. By permutation of mathematics, since we have two lengths, likewise we have two breadth, since they are parallel. So you add the two together. Length plus length equals to two length. Likewise, breadth plus breadth equals to two breadth. By mathematical expression, we look for common terms in those questions. The common terms there is 2. The common term there is what? 2. The common term there is 2. So we can take that 2 out in order to put the bracket into length plus breadth. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 bracket length plus breadth. Let us quickly cite an example. The diagram here shows that length is in 12 centimeter while breadth is in 7 centimeter. First question, to find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and width are 12 centimeter and 7 centimeter respectively. Solution: perimeter of a rectangle 2 bracket length plus breadth. As usual, length here is 12 centimeter while breadth or width is 7 centimeter. Substitute 12 centimeter and 7 centimeter inside that bracket. By addition, 12 centimeter plus 7 centimeter is going to give us 19 centimeter. We now use 19 centimeter to multiply 2 outside, which is going to give us 38 centimeter as perimeter. Another example, if the perimeter of a rectangle is 60 centimeter and its length 8 centimeter, find its breadth. Solution: the first thing we need to write out in mathematics is formula. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Where we see P stand for perimeter, since it is given to be 60 centimeter, you substitute perimeter of rectangle in where you see perimeter of a rectangle, you now put 60 centimeter there. You now equate it with the given formula, which is 2 into length plus breadth. So in that bracket, length stands for 8 centimeter while breadth is unknown. Take the 2 outside to multiply what is inside the bracket 1 by 1. Therefore, 60 centimeter equals to 2 times 8 centimeter plus 2 times breadth. By multiplication, 2 times 8 will give us 16 centimeter, while 2 times breadth will give us 2 breadth. Therefore, 60 centimeter equals to 60 centimeter plus 2 breadth. By collecting like times, 60 centimeter can be subtracted from 16 centimeter in order to get 2 breadth. Therefore, 2 breadth equals to 60 centimeter minus 16 centimeter, which is 44 centimeter. To get breadth from the question now, we divide the both side by 2, that is the coefficients. 2b over 2 equals to 44 centimeter over 2. our final answer will now be 22 centimeter. Another example of rectangle. The perimeter and the width of a rectangular field are 16 meter and 2 meter. Find its length. Solution. The same thing applicable also here. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Where since perimeter has also been given here, so where we see perimeter, we put 16 meter there. We now equate it with the given formula, which is 2 into length plus breadth. Substitute length inside it, which is going to be 16 meter, which is going to be 2 meter plus unknown length. Therefore, 16 meter equals to 2 bracket length plus 2 meter. By multiplication, 2 times length will give us 2 length plus 2 times 2 meter, which is equals to 4 meter. Therefore, by arrangement, that is by collecting like terms, 16 meter can be subtracted from 4 meter in order to get the 12 meter. 2 length will give us 2 meter. To get the length, we divide both sides by 2. 2 length over 2 equals to 12 meter over 2. Our final answer will be 6 meter. This is where I'm going to stop for today. You are going to see the assignment on our assignment platform. Make sure you do it. I will be expecting your questions. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.